Hi guys, this is Tony. This is part two of my trying to clean a rusty old penny in some Coca-Cola. Now I've had this soap for approximately 1.5 days in just cheap Coke. I'll rinse it out. It's taken a little bit off, but I'm quite disappointed with that. It didn't actually remove the rust that I thought it was going to, although there was a little bit there. It's starting to move, but no, it doesn't work. I'll tip that. But thanks for watching anyway. That's just an experiment. That didn't work, no. It goes back in there. Thanks for watching, guys. Maybe 2 Pepsi Cola or Coca-Cola might work, but the cheap stuff doesn't seem to shift it. Catch you later.